everyone! Welcome back to Realtecshop. Today, we've got something special for you. Especially if you're heading back to school or need a reliable laptop for your daily tasks. We're unboxing and reviewing the HP Slim 14 HD laptop, the limited edition that comes with 1 year of Microsoft 365 and the WOWPC bundle. Let's see what makes this laptop stand out from the rest. First off, the packaging is sleek and compact, just like the laptop itself. Inside the box, you'll find the HP Slim 14 HD laptop, power adapter, and the WOWPC bundle, which includes some really cool accessories that we'll check out in a bit. Here it is, the HP Slim 14 HD laptop. It's incredibly lightweight and thin, perfect for slipping into your backpack without adding extra bulk. Let's take a closer look at the specs. This laptop is powered by an Intel quad-core processor with 16 GB of RAM and a whopping 1 TB of storage. That's more than enough to handle multitasking, store all your documents, and even manage some light gaming or video editing. Plus, it runs on Windows 11 Pro, giving you the latest features and security updates. The keyboard is comfortable with good key travel, and the HD display is crisp, making it great for watching lectures, writing papers, or streaming your favorite shows. Now, let's talk about the WOWPC bundle. This is exclusive to this back-to-school edition. It includes a wireless mouse, a stylish laptop sleeve, and a few other goodies that really enhance your overall experience with the laptop. The wireless mouse is ergonomic, which is a huge plus if you're using the laptop for extended periods. Let's put this laptop to the test. I'm going to open multiple applications, including Microsoft Word, Excel, a web browser with several tabs open, and a video editing program to see how it handles heavy workloads. As you can see, it's handling everything smoothly without any lag. The 16 GB of RAM really makes a difference when it comes to multitasking. Whether you're working on a big project or just browsing the web, this laptop can keep up. Another critical factor for students is battery life. HP claims this laptop can last up to 10 hours on a single charge. That's more than enough to get you through a full day of classes or studying without needing to hunt for an outlet. In my experience, the battery life lives up to the hype. After a full day of mixed usage, I still had plenty of juice left. This makes it an ideal choice for students or professionals on the go. With Windows 11 Pro, you're getting the latest in software and security features. The interface is user-friendly, and the added security features ensure your data remains safe, which is crucial if you're storing sensitive documents or personal information. Plus, with 1 year of Microsoft 365 included, you get access to all the essential Office apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, along with 1 TB of OneDrive cloud storage. It's everything you need to stay productive. Overall, the HP Slim 14 HD laptop is a fantastic choice for anyone heading back to school or looking for a reliable, powerful laptop for everyday use. With its strong performance, long battery life, and the added benefits of the WOWPC bundle and Microsoft 365, it's hard to beat at this price point. If you're interested in picking up this limited edition laptop, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.